Makabuklat na yung bayong opisina ng Bases Conversion and Development Authority o BCDA King Clark Freeport Zone kay bat pesi na yung opisyal na pamamus ni Naniti ngayon Martis. Ay ning balita ng Jane Argoso.
Pesi na yan ngayon Martis, November 27, ing opisyal na pamamuklat at pamaglipat ng bayong opisina ng Bases Conversion and Development Authority o BCDA. Alinipat naman iba't king Taguig Metro Manila nangeni opisyal ng makadaton keti king 9th floor ning 1 West Aeropark, Clark Global City. Agpang kang Vince Dizon, presidente at CEO ng BCDA. Posible para karing aliwa pang ahensya ng gobyerno ing makakawaning opisina o lumipat mang buo keti king Clark Freeport bang makabawas ng lolobong populasyon ng Maynila. Mumuna yung destinasyon ng Clark Global City. Iti kanuing tutuking maging government center at makasawop king pamanyubong king progreso karing miyayaliwang lugar keti king Northern at Central Luzon.
Not only is it the centerpiece of the President's Build, Build, Build program for its infrastructure, but the President also wants this to be the centerpiece of his push towards more inclusive growth. Because inclusive growth really means building a city that will be for everyone. Not just the rich, not just the well-to-do, but for everyone. Rich, poor, young and old, everybody. And I think Clark is envisioned to be that city.
Makadaton niya ing bayong opisina ng BCDA king 177 hektaryang pebanjan ng Udena Corporation. Maniwala na rin medki upaya na makasawop yaking progreso ng National Government Administrative Center ing may sabing proyekto king Clark City. Nung no ka rin mitalakadya ing Athletic Stadium at Aquatic Center agamitan king 2019 Southeast Asian Games. Samantala, dagdag na naman ning dating presidente at nganing House Speaker Gloria Macapagal Arroyo na metong karing asahan na proyekto ing Chinese Cultural Center na ibuklat mo rin king Clark Global City ang makasahop king cultural exchange ng bansa. Ako po ay Jane Argoso para kay News Force Pampanga, balitang tutuking Balen Susuyo.